Growing your own vegetables from seed can be really satisfying. Planning ahead is crucial, and knowing which vegetables to sow, where, when and how means you can maintain constant supplies throughout the season. Start with simple-to-grow vegetables like peas, beans and salads. When it comes to methods of sowing, this will depend on which vegetable you want to grow. Some vegetables, like carrots and parsnips, are sown and positioned outdoors, directly into their final positions. Leeks and brassicas can be sown outdoors and later transplanted to their final positions. Others, such as courgettes and tomatoes, should be sown under cover or even indoors and then planted out in late spring. Seed trays are suitable for sowing vegetables that you've decided to grow, and once they're established, can be potted on and planted into their own containers or outside in the garden. Modules or cell trays are a very efficient way of raising seedlings, allowing you to easily transplant seedlings whilst causing minimal damage to delicate roots. For larger seeds, such as peas or broad beans, try using deeper individual containers. Now we're going to show you how to sow vegetable seeds indoors. Firstly, overfill the pot or tray with fresh seed compost. Then level off any excess compost. Create a flat, even surface by gently pressing the compost lightly with a flat board. Sow your seeds. Fine seeds should be sown thinly and evenly. Large seeds can be positioned individually and pushed to the correct depth. Cover the seeds lightly with compost by using a sieve. Seeds should be covered to approximately twice their depth. Don't forget to label your container with the variety and date. Place trays or pots containing the seeds in a water trough to absorb liquid from the base. Leave them here until the compost surface turns a shade darker. Alternatively, you can water from overhead using a fine spray. Think about which vegetables you enjoy eating and grow these, and try not to be too ambitious too soon.